So I'm coming to you today, 5 side hustles that require $0 and practically no skill to achieve. If you want to know what these 5 are, stick around right after this. Hey, what's up everybody? This is Leroy and welcome to my channel 40 and Broke, where we're all about getting out of debt, saving, investing, and getting our finances under control so we can live the life we've always dreamed of, because that's what it's all about, living the life we've always dreamed of. I've had people ask me about side hustles and various different side hustles. So I come up with 5 side hustles that require $0 to start and no skill whatsoever to maintain. I know it sounds too good to be true. You're not going to make a killing off these, but it brings you in a little extra money. Number 1, receipt apps. You're already going to go grocery shopping. You're already going to you're going to buy food. You're going to buy gas. You have to spend money every day. Get a receipt. Download apps to your phone such as Fetch, Receipt Hog, Rakuten, Shopkick. I absolutely love Shopkick because I don't even have to buy anything to get points on that. I've talked about that numerous times. Apps such as Receipt Hog and Fetch, all you do is snap a picture of your receipt and it figures out what you have, it figures out the total, and you get points for it. Then you turn around and you trade those points in for gift cards. It's going to take you a while to get a gift card, but it is an easy way to make money. If you want to try any of these apps out, I have referral links down in the description below. I will get points, you will get points. So it's, hey, free money right there. Number 2, apps on your phone that just run. I have Honeygain, Reclaim, and then there's one where it's kind of, I believe it's like a secret shopper type thing. I haven't set it up, but I have Honeygain, I have Reclaim. Those just run on my phone. They use my data, but they run on my phone, and slowly you get, that one you're looking at 2-3 months to get $10-$20, but you're doing absolutely nothing. All you have to do is download an app on your phone, let it run. That's it. So simple. $0, no skill. How easy is that? You download it, you let it run. Once a day you can go on it. You can click a button for a chance to win a daily prize. So there's that. Other than that, it's simple. I have another one called the Fold app. I go on there once a day, press a button, it spins a wheel, I win some Bitcoin. Costs nothing. All I had to do was download an app on my phone. That's simple. Number 3, referral programs, like investing accounts. If you have an M1 account, if you have a Robinhood account, if you have a Webull account, any of these accounts that you may have, you can get paid some way for referring people to them. Robinhood offers free stocks. Webull offers free stocks. M1 offers a certain amount of money for every person that you refer. Now, the same thing goes with anything you use. You might use, say, some sort of, let's say you use an editing software. Let's say you use any sort of software that you pay for. If you refer other people to them, there is a good chance that they will give you money for referring those people to them. And that is a bonus that you've already got the product. You're already using the product. All you have to do is refer somebody else to use the product, and everybody wins. So just check into any product that you use, see if there's a referral program. Any of those platforms, I've got referral links down in the description below. Once again, you can get a stock or you can get a certain amount of money. I will get a little bit of money, and I'm not sponsored by any of these people. If you want to sign up for any of these, the best thing to do is use a referral code. You don't have to use mine, but if you're going to sign up for these, I ask that you use a referral code, and that way you'll get that money. Don't leave that money sitting on the table. It's offered, take it. Number 4, Amazon KDP, which is the Kindle publishing. You can write a book. You can do what is called the low content books, which are journals, planners, calendars. And what you do is you create them and then you sell them. But you can always take what you've created and then set up an Amazon KDP account, which is Kindle Direct Publishing, and you will be able to download it to Kindle and sell it from there. Amazon takes a cut, you get a cut, and you have access to the Amazon platform. You don't need to go through a book publisher. You don't need to do anything. Self-publishing is so easy nowadays. There are hundreds and thousands and probably hundreds of thousands of videos out there that talk about how to self-publish. So number 5, that would be Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is a program through Amazon that allows you to put a link on your YouTube channel, your blog page, or your website that will direct people to Amazon to buy a certain product. And if somebody buys that product, then you get a small commission fee for referring them. No extra cost to whoever is buying said product. Now, what you do with this is you go into Amazon Associates, you sign up for Amazon Associates, and it's actually really simple. It's just as easy as setting up a brokerage account. You need basically the same things. What'll happen is you can start putting links. You do need a website. But a YouTube channel will suffice as the website. You just put your YouTube channel in the description, and then you just find links for the different products. And if somebody clicks on that link and buys the product, then you receive a small commission. I have some Amazon Associate referral links down in my description below, mostly for books, but I have thought about expanding to some of the gear that I use and stuff, but I don't really use a whole lot. I mean, obviously you see how amateur this video is, but that's the thing about YouTube. It doesn't have to be great. You don't have to be perfect. All you have to do is take your phone, put it on a stand, and hit record. That simple. And then you can use your YouTube channel to set up Amazon Associates. Once again, there are numerous channels, there are numerous videos out there on how to set up Amazon Associates. If you are interested in how to do that, onto my playlists on my channel, look under how to. It's public. I will put a video link in there so that if you want to use Amazon Associates, you can watch this video. It'll show you exactly how to use it. All right, and I have number 6. I've got a bonus tip for you, and this is a new one because this just happened to me 2 days ago, and I did not expect it to happen. I ordered a set of sheets for my bed off of Amazon, and the company that I ordered the sheets from sent me an email and said, hey, how about you do the product review on this? So I did the product review on it. I just went on there, did a review, sent them a screenshot of the review, and they gave me a $20 Amazon gift card. That simple. That simple. And now they want me to review products for them. So win-win. You never know when just taking that 2 seconds to fill out a product review on Amazon is going to net you a $20 Amazon gift card. So there it is, everybody. I got 5 tips, 5 side hustles that require $0, basically no skills, and they will make you some money. They're not going to make you rich, but they will make you a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, you have a good day, and you keep hustling out there.